how to find relevant LinkedIn posts from your prospects to engage with. One of the problems that people have when they try to engage with prospects on LinkedIn is that they need to scroll endlessly to find the post that is somehow connected to the offer so that they can like it, comment it, and then reach out or using in the follow-up or first outreach. But the thing is, if you use like a software like breakcold, shameless plug, like essentially you can just type a keyword. So you have all your prospects. This is all LinkedIn posts from my prospects, right? And so from there, you can just type the keyword that is related to your offer. So in my case, I sell the sales CRM. So I'm just going to type CRM. And then I will have within my prospects all the LinkedIn posts of my prospects who use the word CRM. And so maybe the post is not entirely about CRM, right? But still, I can use this post to then come up with like a relevant outreach as a first message, or if it's throughout the conversation, I can also use that in my email inbox or LinkedIn inbox inside Breakcold, where as I'm talking with the person, I can also aggregate the post of the person. And so you see here, Brigitta, for example, she's a customer, but just for the sake of the example right there, like I can just type the keyword. I see she talked about many stuff, including the number one, which is deep dive into CRM data. And so I can just then comment, like living your CRM data is key to grow faster. It's linked to my offer. So for me, it's really easy to comment on this. And then imagine I'm not connected with Brigitta. What I can do is I can just go to LinkedIn to send an invite and saying something like, loved your LinkedIn post about CRM data. And, like I just engage, obviously. And because of that, essentially the person will most likely accept your LinkedIn invite. But because of your LinkedIn connection message, like you will already be in the DMs. And so even if the person doesn't reply, or most of the time people do reply when you do this kind of stuff, to be fair, because it's a very short sentence. And so essentially, whatever the scenario, you already put in place the context that is somehow related to your offer, whether the convo will start casually or directly going for the kill. And so that way you can be super targeted within your prospects and prioritizing the prospects that matter the most for your business, essentially.